Join me as I dive into the world of Bbai stock to see if it's really on the verge of exploding. Bbai stock has been making waves lately, and it's hard to ignore the buzz surrounding this AI-powered stock. Recent developments in the AI space have investors wondering if Bbai is poised for a major breakthrough. With its innovative approach to artificial intelligence, Bbai has caught the attention of many investors looking for the next big thing. The AI sector is getting crowded, and Bbai stock is facing some tough challenges. Market volatility is a major concern, with many investors worried about the impact of economic downturns on the stock's performance. Investor skepticism is also a hurdle, with some questioning the company's long-term viability. Competition in the AI sector is heating up, with established players and new entrants vying for market share. Bai's recent performance metrics have been impressive, with the company reporting strong revenue growth and improving profitability. Analysts are taking notice, with some predicting a significant increase in the stock's value over the next quarter. Industry experts are also weighing in, with some citing Bai's innovative approach to AI as a major advantage. Market trends are also looking favorable, with the AI sector expected to continue growing in the coming years. So, what's the pivotal moment that could indicate whether Bbai stock is on the verge of a significant breakthrough or decline? One key data point to watch is the company's upcoming earnings report, which could provide insight into its financial health and future prospects. Another important factor is the company's ability to stay ahead of the competition, with investors eagerly awaiting its next major product announcement. The company's partnerships and collaborations will also be crucial in determining its future success. Bai's management team has a proven track record, which could be a major factor in the stock's future performance. In summary, Bbai stock has a lot of potential, but it's not without its challenges. From market volatility to competition in the AI sector, there are many factors that could influence its trajectory. By keeping an eye on recent performance metrics, news, and market trends, investors can make more informed decisions about this exciting stock. What do you think about Bbai stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other videos for more investment insights and analysis.